Hi, I'm Richard, the Managing Director of Cloud Coders. Cloud WMS is our built for NetSuite Certified, NetSuite Native warehouse management and supply chain solution that is designed to improve your operational efficiency by putting tasks into the hands of your workers. With any application that you install within NetSuite, it's important that you know how it's going to perform, as this is always a question that we get asked by our customers. So today, I'm going to share with you some of the results that we have from our performance and load testing that we carried out on NetSuite's SuiteCloud platform. Cloud WMS has been designed to scale with your business, meaning that no matter how it's distributed across the globe, how many locations you have nationally, or how many orders that you do per day, you know that with the Oracle NetSuite platform and Cloud WMS, you'll be able to meet the existing demand and any future growth. So let's take a look at the testing scenario that we had. What we did was we modeled a Black Friday sale, where a customer had hired additional warehouse space to store all the stock that was going to be picked. It didn't have any network coverage. And this is not a problem for Cloud WMS because it runs both online and offline. And then those picks were then taken to a packing and shipping station where they were completed. So what happened when all those orders and all those picks were then connected and then sent back into NetSuite? Well, by taking full advantage of 5 parallel processes within NetSuite, we were able to complete that in 30 minutes. And then when we increased the number of processes from 5 to 10, as you would expect, it halved, taking 15 minutes to complete those. That actually gave us a theoretical throughput of 3,600 transactions per hour, and this can then be increased further and further by adding more and more additional processing power. So you can obviously see clearly that the platforms together work really well to provide great scalability for your business. So what else does it mean for your business, apart from the ability to basically handle any demand? Well, first of all, it increases throughput, which means that you can have less workers doing particular operations and redeploy them to other areas of your business, or potentially even reduce headcount. The second thing is that being online and offline, it allows your operations to operate in any manner that suits the business needs, whether it be permanent or temporary. And finally, by investing in a solution that is this scalable, then you provide security in your investment, knowing that you only have to do it once and it will be done right. I'd be really interested to hear your feedback or any questions that you have about our solution. So feel free to get in contact or to visit our website for more information.